Alrighty guys, we finally made it to a car wash after driving the M4 all across the country. Let's just take a look at how dirty this thing is. Look at my front lip, guys. It literally has mud like painted onto it. And then we've got bugs all over the front bumper. This thing is so dirty. So of course,
it's like 20 or 30 pounds when you wash it.
I know, it's gonna be lighter once we wash all of it. But we've got Jace in the video today. We got Leanna in the video today. So we are just waiting in line at the car wash right now. We're going to a slush meet. We're going to a slush meet, but we're running a bit late. Nothing's new about that. It started like an hour and a half ago, or no, like 30 minutes ago. So we just gotta wash the car, head over there, and hopefully there's still enough people there for us to film some stuff. So let's wash the car. So she's looking way cleaner. There was literally so much dirt coming off of her the whole time while washing it. It was crazy, but I feel way more relieved now that it's like clean again. So we're just gonna towel dry it. Again, we're running super late, so we're gonna clean it up really fast and head straight to the show. Gotta get there fast. Gotta make up some time. Oh guys, it feels so good today. It's like 60 degrees out, no snow. This is exactly what I was hoping to come back to when I got back from Florida. So I'm enjoying the weather here. It feels so good today. So we're about to pull up, so we'll see you there. All right guys, we are pulling in right now. Let's see what kind of turnout we got. Looks like there's a lot of people already. Dang, that was definitely straight piped. All right, we'll just turn in here and do a little lap around. Looks like we're at the very end of the meet right now. Let's dig a little deeper. Looks like we got an M4, M3. Got a white M3 right there. We just gotta find a parking spot. Oh, another M4.
Honestly, this one was like one of the. Hey, what's up, bro?
Hey, what's up, man? Hey, oh, nice. Just parked. We finally. It's really busy out today, but we got our spot now. I think I need to finish getting some of these water spots off my car, but yeah, it feels so good to be back out. All right, guys, I've kind of been slacking. I've been talking to some people, getting the car cleaned up. There she is, looking nice and shiny. But we just came across this Tanzanite blue F80 M3. I don't know if camera does this color justice, but it just really sparkles in the sunlight. So I'm gonna try to capture a good amount of cars today. We'll see what kind of BMWs we can find, but definitely a lot of cars out today. We got a drone up there, if I can capture it. Leanna has a drone and she said that I can borrow it, guys, so we're gonna get some drone footage. Also, guys, I think Jason and I are gonna race today.
Oh yeah, that's right, we are.
So explain to the audience what you drive.
All right, so I drive a 2014 7 Series. It's the LI. It's a 750. So we make about 450 horse, about 480 pound-feet of torque, give or take. So just kind of want to see what the difference is between stock, you know, sport mode, whatever you want to call it, on the M4 over there, and then sport mode on that, and see how close we are.
Yeah.
I know I'm going to get walked, but
I don't know, guys.
We're going to see how close it is. It's just two two M cars.
Seriously, I took a ride in his car and I was actually really shocked. It's a 7 Series, it's a bigger car, but the thing actually moves really well.
Yeah, it moves like it's got 2 doors. It's
yeah,
crazy.
I'm on a stock map right now, so I'm not like running any stage 1, stage 2, all of that is removed, so we'll make it a fair race. So we'll do that after the event and should be fun. We'll see how that goes.
Then we'll run it again when we're both tuned.
Yeah, then once we both step up our power, then we'll do another rematch.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
That's coming in this video, so stay tuned. Guys, I was not expecting to see this, but we have like an what are these called? E91?
It's got a
E91, I think. Wait.
Or is it the E93?
Is it an
Because
is this
BMW
an
made like
Wait, but it has a DCT in it. Is this?
What? Wait,
No.
No, there's no. That's gotta be like. I guarantee you put that on there.
All right, I'm so confused what I'm looking at.
That would be.
So this thing is Yes Marina Blue. I
gotta find
don't know if it's, I think it's painted. Yeah, it's painted Yes Marina Blue. But it's got an N54 in it. But it has like the DCT from the M3. This is actually a crazy build. What's the quad exhaust tips? And look at these, look at that rear bumper, guys. This is actually insane. I've never seen something like this.
He swapped in the M3 seats into it too. Front seats look like it.
Yeah, he's got the M3 seats in it, M3 steering wheel.
This
thing's gnarly.
Man. It looks like he's got the
The hood has like exposed carbon on it. What in the world? This thing's actually really sick. I dig this thing. This wrap, guys, this thing is actually really sick. So we've got like the blue that fades into like a purple, then into the pink. And he's got like emblem or stickers on it that do the same thing. He's got the forged carbon on the roof, forged on the wing. The wing also has the little color sequence that fades into each other. That's a really cool color combo. I dig that.
These are nice.
She is, I think she's pretty stoked to see this one. She's getting some ideas for hers. Check out this front lip on it. This front lip looks so sick. I think Leanna needs to put that on her Jeep.
Look, this is what I need. The little fin.
What? I didn't know you could put that on. Like a
is
little
nice.
spoiler
Yeah.
on the back.
And he like made his.
Yeah, well, you got to step up your carbon game because
What size are these?
those are like 22s.
22.
Those are big old wheels. Clean right-hand drive Supra. Sweet. All right, guys. An unexpected R34 just pulled up. This thing is stealing the show. The whole crowd is crowding over to it. You don't see it in that red too often either. Got Mondo's clean F80 as always here at Slush. I always appreciate his car. This thing is always super good looking. He actually has an F90 M5 and he said that he's getting it repainted. So next time we see him, hopefully we'll be able to see the new paint job on his M5. Some older Gallardos and R8s. I would not mind owning one of these one day. They're definitely becoming a little more affordable, so I don't know. Maybe one day I'll experiment. If YouTube does me right, we might look into getting a little supercar like that one day. Ooh, she is looking clean today. Last time I was in Colorado, my wheels were super trash because the chrome was peeling, so it's nice to have them all in good condition for the show. This super wide GTR. This is a crazy wrap. He's got this like forged carbon look on it. I do feel happy because I'm the only one here with real forged from what I've seen so far. But the wrap does look pretty sick. Got a sick orange Huracan pulling up. Man, I love Huracans. Those things look crazy. Hey, look at this. What's up, man? Look who it is. What's up, man?
What up? How are you?
Doing good, man. You guys remember we took a ride in this thing and it was wild. Oh my gosh.
Oh wow, the camera.
This thing has the craziest launch.
Where's your buddy at?
I don't know. I don't think he's out today. But
Good to see you.
good to see you, man. Take care. That thing is fast, guys. If you don't watch that video, go watch it. A black M4 right there. There's the man. There's the familiar face. What's up, dude?
What's up?
How are you?
Pretty good. Just chilling.
Doing chill. You heading out then?
No, I'm actually just getting.
Oh, you're just getting here? Park right next to me. I'll save you a spot. We got Jorge's M4 on the belt. If you guys don't know, those are actually my old exhaust tips that I sold them to him. He can actually put traction down though. Look at those tires. Super meaty. So Jorge did some stuff to the car since the last time we saw him. What kind of tune did you get done?
I went ahead and did a tune through Motive. I tuned with Chris.
And I'm on E50 right now.
He's on E50, and you notice the difference.
Huge difference, yeah.
Yeah, it feels way faster.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, I'm slacking with my tune. I'm still on an off-the-shelf tune, so
Yeah,
I need to get to where you are, man.
Biggest difference ever.
Yeah, that makes me more hyped to get it done.
Okay, I don't know.
This guy loves the car. So he also put a flame tune on his car. Look at those flames.
Yeah.
We'll make a whole video, guys, of doing a flame tune on mine, but he says it's crazy.
Yeah, it's loud.
Way louder than just the burbles.
Yeah, it's stupid loud.
Dude, that's awesome. I can't wait to try that. You'll have to show me one of these days.
It like shakes the whole car.
Do you think maybe we could do it here? Once we leave?
Yeah,
Once we leave, we're going to test out the flame tune on his M4, guys. Hey, what's up, brother?
How you been?
Doing good, man.
What's up, bro?
Okay, guys, Jorge's gonna attempt shooting flames. He says it might do it or it might not. So. It's being stubborn.
Yeah.
There's like two really good ones.
Yeah. Those are nothing.
Really?
Those are like.
It's even louder than that. That was really loud.
Yeah,
right there.
when it pops, it shakes like the floor.
Yeah.
You'll feel that shit in your chest.
All right, well, we're gonna have to experience that one day because I need
Yeah,
to see what that's
someday.
like. Because one day I want to do that to my M4. Guys, we are rolling out. We're gonna hop on the highway and get some runs in with Jace. Remember, he was talking about his car earlier, so we'll see how my stock map does against his. We'll make it fair. I removed my tune, so yeah, we're gonna get some runs and see how it all goes. But yeah, what a fun turnout. A little rowdy for the crowd.
Not bad, not bad.
Just a little sideways action. We're not going to be a Mustang and hit the crowd today.
Good idea.
Ready? One, two, three.
Not ready. No. Ready? 40? 40.
Yeah. Ready?
1, 2, 3!
Just got off the highway. We're gonna go get some lunch right now.
After delivering the absolute Walmart gap to Jace.
All right, guys. So that was stock map versus your stock.
Yeah,
yeah.
stock.
He's fully stock, so
Fully stock 750 Li.
yeah.
And pretty much fully stock.
yeah. So I mean, he's got a lot more
Yeah,
weight on his
yeah.
car than my car.
Yeah.
And
It's got a brand new engine. It's basically a brand new car. It is a 2014, but lots coming soon.
Yeah. He's got a lot of fun things he's gonna put on it, so we'll get some more back-to-back races once he really wakes up that engine. But yeah, it was fun. It was fun to get a little runs in.
I did think I thought I was gonna get shit on a lot worse. So I'm a little bit on the upscale. Like I didn't get shit on that bad.
Yeah.
I got shit on, but not totally shit.
Yeah,
Jason's got good sportsmanship, so. All right, guys, our food has arrived. This looks delicious. Turning into a food vlog. What did you get, Jace?
You got a Philly cheesesteak.
Philly cheesesteak, but you got the chicken tenders. Let's dig in. All right, guys. Well, walking into the restaurant, it was blue skies and sunshine, and we were feeling pretty warm. Now it's
Absolutely.
cold.
Yeah,
this
now
is
it's a little bit crisp.
Yeah, perfect example of Colorado weather. Blue skies like an hour ago, and now look at it. Overcast, cold. What the heck? Yeah, one good thing though about this lighting is it makes the car look really good, especially the new wheel color. got Jace right over here.
How's it going?
So we just had that crazy little back road drive up here, really testing the limits out of the cars.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. But we found this awesome little pull-off spot, so we're just getting some like cool cinematic shots of the cars. Yeah, it's a little chilly out now, but guys, this is like perfect cinematic lighting for like, you know, Instagram reels and Instagram pictures and all that. So we're gonna get a ton of content up here. It's also a pretty big little burnout pit, so maybe I'll spin the car and get a little sideways before we head out. But yeah, this is a cool little spot that we found. Well, alrighty guys, that is gonna wrap up today's video. We just got some gas in the car because we were having a little bit of fun with her, so she was running low, but yeah, just got some more cinematic shots of the car being gassed up because right now there's like this cool cinematic glow coming from the sunset, and it's just giving such a cool look on the car. So got some cool shots of it. You guys will have to check that out on my Instagram down below, but hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. It was a super fun day. It was a little bit of a taste of what summer's gonna be like, so hopefully you guys are stoked for all these shenanigans that are to come. Thank you for watching. Peace out. I'll see you in the next video.